This is the welcome and registration page. This section welcomes users to Pickabite and walks them through a quick, secure account creation process. To start, new users can tap Register on the main welcome screen. Then, they can enter the 6-digit security code sent to email and tap Verify code. Next, they can set up email and password to secure the account, and then proceed to type in user's name and tap Submit to finish registration. For the login page, this section offers two secure entry pathways for existing users to quickly sign back into their Pickabite accounts. Firstly, a user can manually type their registered Gmail address and password. Then, tap the login button to access the application. Alternatively, they can also select the Face ID option for a quick biometric scan, which verifies their face instantly and automatically redirects them to the main screen.
Next is the residential student home screen. This homepage is specially designed for students living on campus. It provides quick access to important features such as My Student, vendors, residential student services, and non-residential student information. Users can also view a personalized dashboard that includes the list of vendors that live cooking progress, allowing them to monitor the preparation status of their food. In addition, the timetable section enables students to quickly view their class schedule without leaving the application, making Pickabite more convenient for daily campus life. This is the home screen for non-residential students. Although the layout is similar to the residential version, this interface is customized for students who live off campus. The home page provides easy access to My Student, vendors, and other essential services. One of the key features is the list of vendors with GPS location, which help non-residential students locate food vendor more easily when they are traveling to campus. Just like the residential version, users can also access their timetable directly from the homepage for better time management.
Next, I will explain the vendor list and vendor profile interfaces of our application. The first screen displays the list of vendors available to residential students. Each vendor is presented in a simple card layout showing the vendor's name, a brief description, and its rating. This allows users to quickly compare different food vendors before making a selection. If users want to browse a vendor's menu directly, they can simply tap on the vendor card. Alternatively, they can select the vendor profile option to view for more detailed information about that vendor. Next, the vendor profile screen provides additional details about the selected food stall. At the top, users can search for a specific vendor using the search bar. The profile then displays the vendor's logo, business name, and most importantly, the operating status indicating whether the vendor is currently open or closed. Below that, users can click the menu and customize your meal button. This feature allows customers to view the available menu, customize their food according to their preferences, and also place their order immediately. Overall, this interface is designed to be a user-friendly and efficient, enabling residential students to easily discover food vendors, check their availability, and customize their orders with just a few taps. Next, I will explain for the customized meal and chat interfaces. The first screen displays the selected vendor's menu page. Here, students can browse all the food beverage items offered by the vendor. Each menu item includes a food image, name, price, and add to cart button, allowing users to quickly select the items they wish to order. If a menu items offer customization, users can tap on it to open the customized meal page. On the second screen, students can personalize their meal based on the options provided by the vendor. For example, they can choose the rice base, protein, toppings, and spice level. They can also add extra ingredients such as cheese or egg if available. At the bottom of the page, there is a remark section where students can enter special requests such as less spicy, no onions, or separate the gravy. This helps to ensure that the order matches the customer's preferences. After completing the customizations, Students have two available actions. They can click Proceed for payment to continue with the checkout process, or select Chat with vendor if they need to ask about ingredient availability, request modifications, or clarify any details before confirming their order. The third screen shows the chat interface. This feature allows students and vendors to communicate in real time regarding the current order. For example, vendors can notify customers if an item is unavailable or suggest an alternative, while students can respond immediately without making a phone call. Additionally, the chat interface includes AI meal recommendation feature powered by Gemini. Students can ask questions such as recommend a spicy meal under RM10 or suggest a vegetarian lunch, and the AI will provide suitable menu recommendations based on their preferences.
For the AI meal recommendations, this section is a shared feature for both non-residential and residential students. Using Google Gemini to suggest personalized meals based on their individual taste, preference, and previous orders. Users can browse through different categories such as personalized picks, meal discoveries, or suggestion tailored to their regular ordering time. If they want a completely unexpected choice, they can also tap the surprise option at the bottom to let the AI pick a meal for them instantly.
Next, I will explain for the payment method interface. After students have confirmed their food order, they will be directed to the payment method page. This page allows users to choose their preferred payment option before completing the transaction. On the first screen, students can select between Do It Now QR or e-wallet payment. The total payment amount is also displayed at the bottom, allowing users to review the amount before proceeding payment. If the student selects Do It Now QR, they will be taken to the second screen where a unique Do It Now QR code is generated. Students simply need to scan the QR code using any banking application that support Do It Now QR to complete the payment securely. Alternatively, if the student chooses the e-wallet option, they will be directed to the third screen. Here, they can select their preferred e-wallet service such as Touch and Go e-wallet, Boost, GrabPay, MAE, ShopeePay, or Settle, depending on the available payment providers. Once an e-wallet is selected, the system redirects the student to the corresponding e-wallet application or displays a payment QR code for authorization. After the payment is successfully completed, the transaction is verified and the order is confirmed. This payment interface provides students with multiple secure and convenient cashless payment options, making the checkout process faster and more flexible.
Once payment is successful, students receive an estimated pickup time together with a notification informing them when their meal is ready. A unique QR code is generated for every completed order. Upon arriving at the vendor, students simply present the QR code for verification before collecting their meals. These features minimize queue congestions while ensuring that every order is collected by the correct customer.
Will explain the GPS order tracker and live food stock tracker interface. After a successful order, users will receive a confirmation screen showing that their purchase has been completed. From here, they can access two important features. The first is the GPS order tracker, which allows users to view the vendor's location and estimate the travel time to collect their order. This helps students navigate to the correct vendor without confusion. The second feature is the live food stock tracker. It displays the real-time availability of menu items and ingredients, allowing users to check whether a food item is still available before placing an order. This helps students reduce disappointment and improve the overall ordering experience.
After completing an order, students are encouraged to rate their dining experience and provide feedback regarding food quality, service, and pickup efficiency. These reviews help future customers make informed decisions while encouraging vendors to continuously improve their products and services.
Lastly, I will explain the setting interface. This page allows users to manage their account and personalize their experience within the application. Users can change their password to keep their account secure, customize their notification sounds, and log out of their account whenever needed. Overall, the settings page provides users with greater control over their account while ensuring a secure and personalized experience.
Now, that concludes our presentation of Pickabite, our mobile application prototype. We would like to sincerely thank you, Madam Safura, for taking the time to watch our presentation. We appreciate your guidance and support throughout the ICT 500 Creative and Critical Thinking course. Thank you once again for your time and attention. We hope that you enjoy our presentation. Thank you and have a great day.